Okay, welcome Sec 5 to question number 9, 2017 mid-year exam paper. I'll be going through question 9 today. Now, this is a congruency and similarity question. They say in the diagram B, C and DE are parallel. The point D and E lies on AB and AC respectively. Okay, the lines BE and CD intersect at F. BF is 4, FE is 2, DE is 3. Given that triangle DEF and CBF are similar, let's take a look at these two triangles. We all know that these letters are arranged in order, which means D will correspond to C, E will correspond to B, and F will correspond to F. So let's identify the correct sides. DE corresponds to CB. So DE corresponds to CB, which is these two lines. EF corresponds to BF. EF corresponds to BF. I'm going to use a green color marker. EF is the same side as BF. And the last side, obviously, is DF and FC. DF and CF. DF and CF. So these are the sides that correspond. So when we do big over small, we must use the red over the red, the blue over the blue, or the green over the green. They want you to find CF over DF. CF over DF, which is the blue over the blue. Remember our formula, small over big equals to small over big. So CF over DF is small over big, which is equals to the same as EF, small, over big, BF, which is equals to 2 over 4. If you simplify, it is half. So that is the answer. Let's go to part 2. Show that triangle ADE and ABC are similar. ADE is this red triangle over here. Show that this red triangle over here is similar to ABC, which is this green color triangle over here. Now, if you know our similarity test, we have 3 different similarity tests. One of them is find 2 angles that are the same. Another is all 3 ratios are the same. Another one is ratio angle ratio. In this case, we are not provided with any length other than DE, so we can't use RRR and RAR. So we only can use AA. 2 angles. Find 2 angles that are the same. Let's think about it. The red triangle and the green triangle, if you realize, this top angle is the same because it is the common angle. There's another angle that is the same, which is this angle and this angle here, which are the same because of corresponding angles. We can then present our answers now. Very quickly. The first angle is the same, is DAE. Angle DAE is the same as angle BAC because they are common angles. The next angle that are the same is ADE. It's the same as ABC because they are corresponding angles. Therefore, triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC by the AA test. And we are done. Now find area of triangle ADE over triangle ABC. Now this would require us to use the formula length of small over length of big. The whole thing square equals to area of small over area of big. Over area of big. So all we just need to do is to find the length of small over length of big. But we already know the length of small over the length of big is half. Why can we use this? Because of the similar triangles of DEF and CBF. This is 2 over 4, which also means that this length is also 2 units, is to 4 units. I can easily find the area then. The area is half square, which is 1 over 4. That is the area of ADE over ADC. Given that the area of triangle ADE is 120, find the area of the trapezium ABCD. I'm going to draw the triangle out. This area of triangle is 1 unit. 1 unit. The area of the whole entire triangle is 4 units. So therefore, the area of the trapezium is 3 units. So if 1 unit is 120 cm square, 3 units is 120 times 3, which is 360 cm square. Let's do part B. The diagram shows 2 similar containers. So these 2 containers are the same. Their height is 22 and 33. They tell you that the diameter of the larger container is 12 cm. So the diameter of the larger container is 12 cm. I want you to calculate the diameter of the smaller container. We will then use small over big equals small over big again, which is 22 over 33 equals to small, which I don't know, x over the big one, which is 12. I will then proceed to cross multiply. If I were to cross multiply, 22 times 12 will give you 264 equals to 33x. X is equals to 8 cm. Part 2. Every part of the surface of the container is painted yellow. Okay, it's painted yellow. Given that it costs $35 to paint the larger container. So I'm going to paint this with yellow. And it costs $35. Okay, that's very expensive to paint a container. Find the cost of painting the smaller container. Now, when we talk about painting a container, we are thinking about the area. The surface area of the container. Therefore, we have to use the formula, the area formula, which is the length of small over length of big square to give us the area of small over area of big. Now, length of small over length of big is 22 over 33 square. 22 over 33. If I were to square it, I get 4 over 9. 4 units of area of the smaller one. The area of the bigger one is 9 units. So this is 4 units. This $35 is 9 units. So very simple. 9 units is $35. I need to find 4 units, so I find 1 unit first. 35 divided by 9, which is 8 over 9. And I find 4 units. I can leave my answer to the nearest cent, which is 15.5555. And then nearest cent would be 15.56 cents. The last part. The containers are completely filled with oil. Now, the moment you see completely filled with oil, the first thing that should come into your mind is this word volume. The volume of the container. The smaller container holds 5 liters of oil. Again, I do the formula. Length of small over length of big, the whole thing cubed will give you volume of small over volume of big. So I do the formula again. 22 over 33, I'm going to cube it. And it will give us the volume of the small one is 5 liters. I need to find the volume of the big one. 22 over 33. I'm going to cube. I'll get 8 over 27 equals to 5 over volume of big. Cross multiply. 8 times volume of big is 135 here. Volume of big is 135 divided by 8, which is 16.875. Now this answer is exact, so we don't round off. So answer of volume of big is 16.875 liters. Now I'm done with this question. I need you to do question number 10, the corrections of this question, and question number 10, and then post it up on OneNote for today. That's all.